everyone, Stacy Holman, and I'm here with another Young Living box opening video. Okay, so I'm a Young Living star distributor, or brand partner. So every month I can order what I want, and I get new products, and every month I am so happy. I'm so excited. So I want to show everyone what I got this month. It's really exciting. So, and then I'm also going to tell you a little bit about how to use some of these products. Those are going to be in later videos, though, because there's so many different ways to use all of these products. If you follow me on Instagram or Twitter, TikTok, my YouTube videos, you'll see just different ways of how to use these Young Living products. And they're 100% pure, natural. They're therapeutic grade, so there's no fillers, there's no perfume added. These come from the plants themselves, all of the oils, and all the products are also made with some of these oils. So again, it's all natural, and I'm working on improving my husband's and my health, as well as detoxifying our home, and just making it also a safe place for our fur babies. We have 4 of them. Okay, so let's get started. I'm really excited about this. So, okay, so this doesn't seem as exciting when I show you what it is, but it's Thieves dish soap. Okay, so there's a few different things you can use this for, not just for doing your dishes. Okay, and it's fresh citrus scent. It's plant-based ingredients, and that's what I'm saying. They don't put any added ingredients. As a matter of fact, on the back of this bottle it says free from SLS, free from dyes, free from SLES, it's free from formaldehyde, phosphates, synthetic perfume. So, and it also lists everything, all the ingredients that's on here. So feel free to look up these ingredients and see what they're about. And actually, I started doing that with all of my all the products, store-bought products especially. So, and it just lets me know just how toxic these store-bought products are. And then I compare to the ingredients on here, and I'm like, there is a company out there who cares about our health and our well-being, and that's Young Living. So, and it also says it's 100% pure, therapeutic grade essential oils. So again, I will definitely be experimenting with this, just doing different things with this product, and I'll post them. So stay tuned. All right. Okay, something else. Let's see. Ooh, this is my personal diffuser. I'm going to take this to work with me because I think we all need to just relax and breathe when we're at work. So this is my personal diffuser. I'm going to have to research on how to use it. I'm not sure. All I know is that I wanted to bring it to work with me, and even in the car with me. But this is what it looks like. Cute. Very cute. And then it also comes with a pouch. Young Living pouch. Just to carry it in. Oh, look at that. Cute, cute, cute. And then it also comes with a bottle. I'm assuming because this is where, yeah, okay, that's the button to turn it on and to freshen it, I guess. And then this is where the oil comes out and it diffuses. So, but again, I'm going to read up on this more, see how to use it. I just knew I wanted it. So, stay tuned for that. That's going to be fun. Oh, and they both fit. Both the bottle and a diffuser. Cute. Okay, very cute. All right, so I'm really excited. Okay, yeah, and it comes with instructions, which is what I need. Okay, so again, stay tuned. All right, let's dig in some more. All right, so I also got Aroma Glide. All right, so what these are is they're the little gliding balls there. And it comes with the cap. There's a certain way to that you can attach these to the bottles, and that's something else I want to tell you. Don't throw your bottles away. Once you use up your oils, keep the bottles, because you can reuse these and put the rollers on here with the caps. And yes, they have to go together, because again, there's a certain way to put the rollers on. It's not hard. It's very, very simple, but they do need to go together. But like this one here, I've been wanting to experiment with maybe men's cologne for my husband. So I'll probably mix some manly, musky essential oils together and make him something and see what he likes. But I've made myself perfume. So this is a lavender, this bottle was lavender. So I took the lavender label off, and I put, sorry, it's really bright, and I mixed my own oils together in here with a carrier oil. It's the Young Living V6 oil that I mixed it with. And I apply this all the time, and it relaxes me. But yeah, it just, I just feel, like a different person to, I guess. I don't know. I'm just addicted. Essential oils, these essential oils. I mean, there's other essential oil companies out there. Just be careful. Be very, very, very careful. And make sure you do your research first. I've done a lot of research on Young Living essential oils and their products. And personally, I trust Young Living. I don't buy store-bought essential oils. I'm just going to leave it at that. But yeah, don't throw your bottles away. Like this one here, this one's empty. So I'm going to mix some oils and then attach my Aroma Glide. So just a little tidbit. You can reuse your bottles once your oils run out. Okay? So that's exciting as well. All right. Okay, so this is a kit. Okay, you know what? There's a lot for that kit. I try to buy a kit with every order, because there's quite a few kits out there Young Living offers on Essential Rewards. So I try to buy a kit every time. So the kit I bought for this month is the NingXia Red. And again, if any of you follow me, you'll see that I did post, it was a NingXia Red challenge, reset challenge. It was 10 days, and so every day I had a shot, a 2-ounce shot of NingXia Red, and I had more energy. I could think straight. You know, I I felt smarter, I guess. I mean, not that I'm a dumb person, but I'm more clear-headed. So I love it. I love it so much, and it gives me that natural energy, and I love it, and it tastes so good to me. I mean, I've heard other people say it's really strong. It has a really strong taste, but I love it. I love it. It has the natural caffeine. I can't have caffeine. I can't have coffee because the caffeine just makes me loopy. And then about 2 or 3 in the afternoon, I just want to crash. So caffeine is not good for me. But the NingXia Red, I can do that. It's natural caffeine. So it has a little bit of caffeine in it, but it's natural. It's not the added caffeine, which I don't know that much about caffeine. But all I know is that the NingXia Red, I can do. I can drink the NingXia Red, and I'm perfectly fine. So, but that's a big kit. I want to save that for last because it's just a big kit. So, but because of what I got, I did get a few free oils, which is really exciting. So, one free oil is clary sage. And I know there's so much you can do with this. So much you can do with this. You can mix it with all kinds of things, and it's just an amazing oil. Same with, copaiba oil. Again, so much that you can do with these oils. And of course, lavender. This is a really popular oil, lavender. I put lavender in almost everything that I make myself. So those are the oils I got free with my kit. All right, so NingXia Red. All right, so I have this small box here, and this is, I believe, the samples, or not? The sachets. Sorry, I don't know. English is not my first language, apparently. But anyway, these. So these are 2 ounces. Some people, for a little pick-me-up in the afternoon, they'll drink this. They'll drink 1 in the morning, just to get them going, get their day going, and then they'll also drink another one in the afternoon. When they start to feel, I want this day to be over, my energy's running low, well, they'll, drink another packet of this. It's just 2 ounces. It's a 2-ounce shot. That's it. And they feel great the rest of the day. Me, I feel fine when I have 1 in the morning. And then if I need another one, I'll have another one in the afternoon, sometime around noon. Again, I'm not one who can drink caffeinated products. But these I can drink, and I'm fine. Okay, so this was included in the kit. All right, so I'll put that to the side. And then, okay. And then there's this big boy. All right, so I'll keep this in here because I don't trust myself since I'm clumsy. All right. So, yay! I got. Okay, hold on, it's coming. Probably have to just rip this. Okay, well, they come, there we go. Okay, so these 4 bottles of these, okay, these are big boys. 25.35 fluid ounces. There's four of these. So I can use this, have a shot of this in the morning, and then this in the afternoon, or just this on the go if I'm running late to work. But anyway, so these were in a kit. 4 bottles. Yeah, I was having issues getting this off, but 4 bottles of the 25 fluid ounces. And then a box of these on the go, 2 ounces, 2 fluid ounces. So that was my, make sure there's nothing else. But that was my exciting unboxing, Young Living unboxing, and I'm really excited to share some things that I experiment, that I make experimenting with my oils and my personal diffuser. You can also make other drinks with this as well. Like I've seen mocktails. Yep. I'm on Young Living's blog site all the time. You know, researching new ideas of how to use the oils, and so much fun. So, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you're having a wonderful day, wonderful weekend, and you're taking care of yourself, your health, your home, and I hope you follow me on my social media, such as Instagram. I'm also on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube. So I hope you get inspired as well after watching this video, and after looking at some posts that I put out there on my social media pages. And if you have any questions, please DM me, follow me, share, like, comment. If you need to get a hold of me, you can get a hold of me at healthyinspirationswithstacy@gmail.com. So I hope to hear from you soon. And again, I can't wait until next month to show you what else I get. And I can't wait to get experimenting with these products that I have, and just show you all the different things that you can do with these. I mean, there are unlimited ways of using these products. So I hope I inspire you. And you can also visit my blog. It's stacyholman.com, and I also have some other things on, some posts on there, blog posts about Young Living, about essential oils, and I'm actually going to start working on more posts, so stay tuned for that. So here's to happy health and a happy life. Mwah. Love you.